Fake it till you make it. Hey guys, it's your girl V. I'm back again with another video. If it's your first time here, you already know what I'm gonna say, right? Subscribe. Subscribe right now. You subscribed yet? Okay, thank you. And for all of my new subscribers, hi! Welcome to this crazy world of mine. I'm here to let you know that I'm coming up with a new series called Fake It Till You Make It, where I show you how to make your rental property your own yourself. I'm sick and tired of people saying, it's not my house, it's just an apartment. No! Rental properties need love too. Apartments need love too. So go ahead and show your apartment some love. Show your rental property some love, because I guarantee you, it'll love you right back. So if you want to know how I got this to this, keep watching. Thank you. Today on Fake It Till You Make It. You gotta get excited for this, okay? You don't see this on YouTube. Hello. And it's for free. Today on Fake It Till You Make It, I will be showing you guys how to transform this headboard. I must elaborate, this is a temporary fix. This is nothing that's going to last you 5 years. Well, we don't know. It probably can. But this is a quick fix, you know. I have a lot of teens watching. Sometimes your parents can't afford your new bedroom set or whatever the case is. Or you're probably the person that's like, you know what, next year I'm going to go all out. I'm going to buy everything. I'm going to get my house. Or you're probably in your rental property now and you're just like, well, I don't know if I want to invest right now in something like that. Well, this is a great idea for you, kind of like fake it till you make it and give your furniture an upgrade. This headboard needed an upgrade. The whole the whole set needed an upgrade. So what I did was I went ahead and bought contact paper from Lowe's. I think Lowe's. I bought contact paper from Lowe's, and I went ahead and got vinyl from Hobby Lobby, and I created this look. You can just follow the video. I am not going to go in depth as to how to do it, but if you look at my previous video, I kind of give you an idea of how to use the contact paper on furniture. You can go off of that, and then I must say I will come out with another video going into detail as far as the process, issues that I ran into, and like wear and tear over time and what to expect. So hopefully you like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share.